So what amines are? These are organic compound. The first thing is that these are organic compound. Organic compound. What second thing about amines are? Formed by replacement of hydrogen by alkyl or aryl group or both from ammonia. So it is an organic compound and it is formed by replacement of hydrogen by alkyl or aryl group or both from ammonia. Now let me take you the example here and then I'll tell you what the important. You have ammonia here, right? So what you do, this ammonia can result formation of RNH2. So this is a amine. This is a amine and this is called 1 degree amine. Why it's 1 degree amine? Because nitrogen is bonded to only one carbon directly. What next may be, it may be like this one where nitrogen is bonded to 2 carbons. So this is called your secondary amine. Similarly, you might be coming with some idea that if nitrogen is surrounded by 3 different or 3 same type of alkyl group, it is called 3 degree amine. This is called 3 degree amine, right? But one thing is for sure, all these three are called alkanamines. These are called alkanamines. Okay, now if ammonia has changes coming up like this ArNH2, this is called, now you have to understand that this is a 1 degree aryl amine. This is a 1 degree aryl amine. Similarly, this may be something like this where both of the sides are occupied by aryl. So this is called your 2 degree, let me write 2 degree amine, while this one is 1 degree. So this is your 2 degree amine, right? And similarly, this may be, something like this. So this is your 3 degree amine. 3 degree amine. Now this is called aryl amine. This is called aryl amine. So you have probably understand how an amine is formed. You can place alkyl group with nitrogen, you can place aryl group with nitrogen, but you can also have one more option where the hydrogen can be occupied by both alkyl as well as aryl. So this is called mixed amines, right? Or you can call it alkyl aryl amine. You can also call it alkyl aryl amines. So till now I have helped you to understand how amines are formed. Now it's time to find out why we study amine, because that's the very important part, that we need to know why we study something. So for that I need to take the space here, so I'm going to wipe them off. The first importance we remember that it is found in biomolecules like protein. It is also found in hormones, right, and vitamins also, and vitamins also. So what that means, these are actually natural amines here. These are natural amines, right? Second, is that we remember that there are drugs actually. There are drugs, right? There are polymers. There are polymers and dyes. And these are actually source of synthetic amines. Now, one more thing, these information actually they are coming from the NCERT. So I'm not putting you through some, extra work here. These are actually information you have in your NCERT. So that's what exactly I'm following. What third importance, I can tell you, if you remember an anesthesia which is called Novocaine. So this Novocaine, like I said, this is, an anesthesia, and this is also synthetic one. This is also synthetic one. Now, what this Novocaine is? You remember, some kind of anesthesia that the dentist have to, inject while they have to do something serious, with your gums and with your tooth. So, in order to, minimize the sensitivity, they have to inject you through your gums. So, that injection contain actually a Novocaine, solution, which is nothing but a amine, right? Okay. Now, apart from that, important compound that's also going to be a part of this chapter in the end, it's called, in making diazonium salt. In making diazonium salt. And this is actually something very important. Why? Because it is used to prepare aromatic compounds, right? So this is something I wanted to introduce to you about the amine.